Okay, we're at Christ Temple and we're starting to put up the 24-inch round ductwork. Igor, the main man, is on the job as usual. He's installed most of our exposed ductwork for the last half a dozen years and is a totally skilled practitioner of this. So we're just going to walk around here, take a little look at what we got going on. Fitting the piece. Matt did a really nice job of designing this layout on our mechanical and lighting bridge. You can see the cables that support the unistrut bridge at mid-span. And we're also laying out right now the trim on the back wall of the stage. That's Matt up there checking his layout, and Radek and Tomek getting ready to nail the stuff in place. Nice sunny day, about 32 degrees Fahrenheit out. It gives you a quick view of the space.